Today's Wordle looks easy, but it fooled a lot of Moogle. If you rush it, you'll probably lose. Stay till the end, don't ruin your streak. Let's break down today's Wordle step by step. This is today's official Wordle puzzle. One bad guess can end everything. No rushing. No random guesses. This Wordle rewards patience. Which? I always start with strong common letters.
That already tells us a lot.
Now we cut the useless letters. These are the ones to focus on. This is where people mess up. This is where people mess up. I almost didn't play this word. This flip matters. We're close, but not there.
Yeah, that one stung.
Guntovers. Pressure's officially on. Pressure's officially on. Pressure's officially on.
This is where you slow down.
And only one is right. I really needed this one.
What the assistant chicks come?
Okay, that helped a lot.
Just one letter.
It did us fine to know. This is it. Here we go. Let's go. That was way closer than it looked. I won't ruin it for one. Ball. Another day, another win. This one was sneaky. That's how you play it smart. Harry, you know. That's how you play it smart. Tomorrow's could be even harder. Play Wordle with me every day. Same time tomorrow.